day 10 and 11 of the Vancouver version. So we needed to draw an arch, so we used a screw, a piece of wire and a felt tip so we could draw an arch to cut out the shower wall. Yes, you guessed it, to B&Q again. We had to get a core cutter to cut out the lights in the ceiling. Filled and sanded most of the screw holes, about ready for painting. Got the water tank and the heater put in place, they're just all coming in now. The template with the skylight on that, just went up on the roof and got it all put out and fitted. Yes, and another trip to B&Q. Some good progress this weekend, so thanks for watching guys, stay tuned.